mga kaguro, welcome back to my channel, and this is Teacher Virgil for another webinar alert and update. Yes mga kaguro, we have a new webinar, free webinar that is offered to us for free by Kaagapay Teacher Support. They're very generous in giving us free webinars, right mga kaguro? And for today's topic is about module making, designing and creating most essential learning competencies or MELC compliant modules. So mga kaguro, it's a part 2 already. If you haven't watched the part 1, then I will teach you how to. First thing mga kaguro, you have to head to their official YouTube channel. Just search Franco Nicolo Adon, this one. Yes mga kaguro, on your YouTube, or you can use your app or here on your desktop or laptop, just search Franco Nicolo Adon. You can just see this name and click that one, and you will be brought to this. Yes, I already subscribed, but if you haven't subscribed yet, you can just simply click subscribe for more updates of the free webinar that he is offering. And then mga kaguro, just click this one, okay? Click nyo po lang yan, and you will be heading to this official YouTube channel. So you can see here the one that he already uploaded. This one 6 days ago. This is the module making part 1. Okay, so for the replay, just simply click that one, just watch. Okay mga kaguro, simply watch that one, and finish that one. Okay, and if you're done, this is 23 minutes, you can have this one. It's like a second part of the part 1. Okay, just watch it mga kaguro so that we can relate for the part 2. And this one, he already scheduled a live stream that will happen today, July 11 at exactly 2:30 p.m. This one is a scheduled live stream. It will start in 2 hours. So standby lang po mga kaguro. There are 14 waiting, and I am one of those people who wait for this webinar to start. Okay, just like and don't forget to subscribe mga kaguro. And it says here on the description of this scheduled live stream, this is to assist, a message from Franco Nicolo Adon. It says here, this is to assist teachers like us mga kaguro in revisiting important principles in module making and creating a working template for module design and creations. This is a 2-part webinar that will focus on 2 key areas. Separate e-certificates will be provided for each part. So there will be a certificate for part 1, design concepts, principles and ideas for module making, and of course another certificate for the part 2 that will happen today. The topic is workshop on designing and creating modules in relation to MELC structure. So reminder mga kaguro, it says here, please subscribe to his official YouTube channel. So Sir Franco Nicolo Adon is very generous in giving us free webinars to have our for our own sake, of course, since we are at home, so we will learn and stay safe at home. Yes mga kaguro, right? So don't forget to subscribe on their official YouTube channel mga kaguro, and also on their official Facebook page, where you can see a lot of reminders and posts for more updates also mga kaguro. Okay, so let's just look at their official Facebook page. So ito yung official Facebook page ng Kaagapay Teacher Support mga kaguro. Don't forget to like and follow this Facebook page for more updates. Like for example mga kaguro, they posted 3 hours ago, and this is such a good news for us teachers who follow their Facebook or their webinars, because it says here, Dear Kaagapay, sharing with you some good news and our vision. As we strive to provide you with much deserved services, we're taking our first step to make a CPD units provider. This is such a good news mga kaguro. Their webinars or trainings will be CPD units accredited, or there will be a CPD unit, so that we will not be worrying on how to gather units, right? So in this webinar or seminar or trainings that they offered, there's already a CPD unit mga kaguro, right? This is such a good news, and thanks for Kaagapay Teacher Support. for having this. Okay, and yes mga kaguro, they already have also a coming soon tutorial series, and what we have here, the things that we're gonna learn if we attend this tutorial series, it says use the basic function and navigation of Google Slides, how to use Peer Deck extension to add interactive questions to your slide, which is shown live, and then on how to present live with Q&A function mga kaguro. So that is very, very beneficial, right? Okay, another thing. I think that's it mga kaguro. So, okay, that's it for this video mga kaguro. Thank you so much, and yes, thank you for watching. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in this webinar. Goodbye mga kaguro, and thank you.